Hi, today I recorded this video to showcase our platform that we use to record our Knowledge Find IT YouTube channel videos. Actually, I use this platform which called OBS Studio. Uh, Here we can share our content as well as we can record our video as well as and through this platform I can able to create the video. So this is our tool that I use to create our knowledge find IT YouTube channel video. And here those are the resources that I prepared. I'm the content preparer. I referred several PDFs and the YouTube channels. According to that I created these videos. I just kept this folder under the videos section. I created some zip folder because it helped me to share those videos with our editor. He edit our video and prepare with animations. Then I will I uploaded those videos under the Knowledge Find IT account. And here this is our Knowledge Find IT YouTube channel account. This is our channel. Let I'll navigate to this channel. Wait, still loading. So please be wait. Yes, this is our channel. So you can we have uploaded several videos related to the IT technology. For several sections, we have classified the playlist. For each playlist has several videos. So those are the videos you can see under this playlist listed. And another thing, we telecast the live video as well, and I put the short videos as well in this our Knowledge Find IT YouTube channel, and we engage with our YouTube viewers, which means through the community. So I prepared some contents and I uploaded those contents under the community, and those are the things you can refer our videos by this. So there are so much of videos we have prepared. Actually, we use the tool to create those animated video with the help of this tool, which called Wondershare Filmora. It is useful us to create the animation accompany with our content. So I'm the content preparer. So I prepare the content with the help of our PowerPoint, and then I record those content using this OBS Studio, as I mentioned. So let's see. Those are the things we prepared our video with the help of those tools. So please confirm it and please consider it. Let me wait for your responses. Thank you.